How to unlink Rockstar social club from Steam account. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, once you are logged into your rockstargames.com account, you have to click on your profile button on the top right corner and you have to go for its settings. Once you are in settings, you have to go for this linked accounts, which is the third options. And here, as you can see, there are many accounts which I can link already. So what you have to do is to simply click on the unlink account and click on unlink, and this will unlink your Steam account. So you can also again link your Steam account by clicking on the link account button, which is in yellow color, and this will again link your Steam account to the Rockstar social club. So that's how basically you can unlink Rockstar social club from Steam account.